Bose Lifestyle Ultra Speaker Review and Setup Guide. Worth buying or overpriced? Is the Bose Lifestyle Ultra actually worth $299? Or are you simply paying extra for the Bose name? This compact smart speaker has premium features, but there are a few important compromises to know. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Bose Lifestyle Ultra is a premium, mains-powered home speaker designed for indoor listening. It uses 3 drivers, including an upward-firing driver, along with Bose's true spatial processing to create a wider and more immersive presentation. Connectivity is one of its biggest strengths. You get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, Apple AirPlay 2, Google Cast, Spotify Connect, and a 3.5mm audio input. Alexa is also built in, while Bose app handles setup, controls, EQ adjustments, and multi-room features. Setup is relatively simple. Plug it in, connect it through the Bose app, and you're ready to stream. Bose also recommends giving the speaker some space around it and avoiding placing it inside a cabinet, because the upward-firing driver needs room to work properly. Sound quality is where the Lifestyle Ultra makes a strong impression. Reviews highlight clear vocals, detailed audio, and a surprisingly spacious presentation for such a compact speaker. It can also get loud enough for a typical room. However, it isn't perfect. Bass is good, but doesn't reach particularly deep. So if you're looking for powerful low-end, a larger speaker or subwoofer will be better. There's also no built-in battery and no IP rating, so this is definitely designed for indoor use rather than outdoor listening. Another thing to consider is the Bose ecosystem. You can pair 2 Lifestyle Ultra speakers for stereo, use them in multi-room setups, or add them as surrounds to a compatible Bose Lifestyle Ultra soundbar. But that expansion can become expensive. At $299, the Lifestyle Ultra makes the most sense for someone who wants a premium home speaker with strong streaming support, attractive design, and the option to build a larger Bose system later. If you simply want the best bass or a portable speaker, there are better choices. Overall, the Bose Lifestyle Ultra is impressive, but it's not the best value for everyone. It's a premium home speaker built for people who care about sound quality, smart features, and Bose's expandable ecosystem. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what product you'd like to see next.